children, today we are going to discuss about an important and interesting topic. Shall we start today's class with an activity? Now add a pinch of salt and sand separately in the given glasses of water. What do you observe? Children, see, the salt dissolves in water completely and we can't see the salt particles. This mixture is said to be homogeneous mixture. But in another glass, sand settles down. We can clearly see the sand particles. This mixture is said to be heterogeneous mixture. Children, now tell me, what is homogeneous mixture? A mixture in which the components cannot be seen separately is called homogeneous mixture. A solution is a homogeneous mixture made up of two or more substances. Now, shall we prepare a solution? As we did earlier, add a pinch of salt in a given glass of water. Salt dissolves in water completely. In a solution, the component present in lesser amount by weight is called solute and the component present in the larger amount by weight is called solvent. A solution is a mixture of solute and solvent. Here, the solvent is water and solute is salt. The solution we prepared is called as salt solution. Come children, let's do another activity. You are provided with salt, sand and some butter. Mix them separately in the given glasses of water and observe what happens. Already we have prepared this solution. Am I correct? Yes, this is said to be true solution. Come children, let us discuss the properties of this solution. As I know earlier, the nature of the solution is homogeneous and the particles do not settle at the bottom. We can't filter salt because the size of the particle is very small. Children, can you see the sand particles that settles at the bottom? This is said to be suspension. Now shall we discuss the properties? Yes, it is heterogeneous in nature. Particle size is larger so that we can filter easily. Children, we have nicely studied the properties of true solution and suspension. Now, add the given butter or milk in a given glass of water. What do you observe? Come children, let us discuss the properties. This solution is said to be colloidal solution. The particle size of this colloidal solution is in between true solution and suspension and we can't filter the particles. The solution is semi-transparent and heterogeneous. Children, go through this colorful tabular column carefully. In this, properties of suspension, colloidal solution and true solution were given here. Now we are going to discuss colloidal solution in detail. These are some of the examples for colloidal solution. And in our daily routine, we are quite familiar with these things. A colloidal solution is a heterogeneous system consisting of the dispersed phase and the dispersion medium. Do you know what is dispersed phase and dispersion medium? Let us see a familiar example. Cola or any aerated water, that is gas drinks, is the combination of liquid and gas. Here, liquid is solvent called as dispersion medium and gas carbon dioxide is solute called as dispersed phase. Dispersed phase or the dispersion medium can be a solid or liquid or gas. There are 8 different combinations possible. Shall we see one by one? Vessels, jewels, colored glasses or the combination of solid and solid called as solid sol. Paints, egg white, ink are formed by the combination of solid and liquid. We can call it as sol. Smoke, dust or the combination of solid and gas and the type of colloid is aerosol. Liquid and solid combine together to form a colloid called gel. Curd, cheese and jelly are the best example for this gel. Milk, butter, oil and water are formed by the combination of liquid and liquid, and the colloid is called emulsion. Liquid and gas combine together to form a colloid called aerosol. Milk, fog are the best examples for aerosol. Yummy cakes and breads are formed by the combination of solid and gas, and this colloid is said to be solid foam. As we studied earlier, gas and liquid combine to form foam. Soap leather, aerated water are the best examples for this. The combination of gas and gas is not possible because it always forms a true solution. Children, go through this colorful tabular column. In this, classification of colloids based on physical state of dispersed phase and dispersion medium are listed. Now, shall we study some important facts about colloidal solutions? This great scientist, Robert Brown, observed that when pollen grains are added to water, it shows a rapid motion in zigzag direction. From this, he concluded that when colloidal solutions are viewed under powerful microscope, it can be seen that colloidal particles are moving constantly and rapidly in zigzag directions. This movement is named as Brownian movement. I hope we are quite familiar with this. Dust particles can be visible when a light beam enters a window. It can be seen that the dust particles are moving constantly and rapidly in zigzag direction. This is due to the unbalanced bombardment of the dust particles by the molecules of air. Now we are going to discuss another important and interesting property of colloidal solution. The great scientist Tyndall observed that when a strong beam of light is focused on a colloidal solution, the path of the beam becomes visible. This phenomenon is known as Tyndall effect, and the illuminated path is called Tyndall cone. This phenomenon is not observed in a true solution. Now, shall we see some familiar examples for Tyndall effect? The beam of light coming from headlights of vehicles is due to Tyndall effect. Blue color of the sky and blue color of the ocean, sun looks yellow, these are all due to Tyndall effect. Children, now we are going to discuss about an special kind of colloid, that is emulsion. An emulsion is a special type of mixture made by combining two liquids that normally don't mix. Egg yolk, paint, milk, cream, butter, facial creams are the common examples of emulsion. The process of turning a liquid mixture into an emulsion is called emulsification. Emulsions find wide application in food processing, pharmaceuticals, metallurgy and many other important industries. I hope in this class you have nicely read about true solution, suspension and different types of colloids and their applications. Thank you.